Hi guys, in this video what we're going to discuss is like how to get the maximum done from others, like in terms of help. Like I'm going to tell you like 3-4 stories that I have gone through and what I understood, like how to get help from others. um, how serious are you in getting help from others. For example, it can be like a small help, and it can be like how you give meaningful inputs. So a lot of things that you will learn from my experiences. So, and this video is not going to be edited crazy, like adding all the music, all the other things to make you engaged the watching the entire thing. It's going to be me sitting like this and talking, and I'm going to come up with a lot of series of videos like this, because I think more than adding editing to make you watch, I would give you life lessons that if you practically implement, uh, you know you might also get benefited like me, because it's what I learned after reading books, joining mastermind programs from various mentors. uh, so let's get started. This story is all about how I got the maximum out of my team or even my mastermind group by just providing the right inputs that help them to solve my problem to the core. Okay. One of the kind of scenario is that uh, I actually have a team member. I asked them to upload like around like 1,000 uh, title and meta descriptions on a site. 1,000 pages ka titles and meta descriptions. Okay. I just downloaded that file. I mean, I wrote the file. Me and my team sat down and we wrote the entire 1,000 title descriptions, meta descriptions, and then with the URLs, we just sent that to my team member. Okay, it was like a HTML site, so it doesn't have the backend database like how we have in WordPress. So we had to send it to my developer, and the developer was like, okay. It was like 1 week after we sent the file, we asked them like, hey, what's happening to this? He was like, no, we can export so and so data, like he has a slug one row and data set and all of that, but he's unable to match this with that. First we spoke over the call. He said like he'll figure it out. Okay. And then another 3-4 days gone, and then we again said like, okay, is it uploaded bulk? And then he said like, I uploaded 30 rows, and the rest of the rows are pending. And I was like, hey, you're supposed to upload like 1,000 rows. What is the thing with 30 rows? Like, what are you planning to do? Why do you do 30 rows when you have to do bulk upload? He was like, no, we have the slug, we can't do this, we have to do it manually because we don't have the URL in the column, so we have to have the only the slug and all of that. Then I told him like, okay, fine, see, this is the way he asked help. So what I thought is like, okay, fine, why don't you just send a Loom video of showing me what exactly is the problem, and ask a solution from me. Okay. So he went ahead and sent me a Loom video after me requesting for it, but it is his job that he has to accomplish. But since I am also answerable to the client, so I want that to be done faster. But the way of help he asked is like, look at that, like he didn't even say his problem, he said that he is doing it. So we went ahead and checked the Loom video, and he was manually uploading it, and I don't know when will we complete that 1,000 rows of uploading. So after looking at the Loom video, we figured out that like we can use VLOOKUP function to create these slugs and match with this slug and object ID, and based on that all the parameters like title, description, object name, page ID, and these things will be matched based on that first column, that is the slug. So we when I saw the Loom video, I figured out the way to do it, and then I completed that in like 5 minutes and sent him the file again to upload it in bulk. Okay. Now the file got uploaded on the same day. Okay. So that's how you can ask for help and solve it in just few minutes and save you tons of time. And so it's about the way you ask for help. Though you are in remote, you can be anybody, and it can be like somebody is not picking up your call, but still you want to convey the information. Instead of sending a random text saying that, hey, I'm not able to do it, it will take time, something like that, you explain the specific problem and you can get it done in a much more efficient way, because the other person on the other end has expertise to do that. And if you ask to the right person, you can definitely get those kind of help. This is one of scenario. Then I just thought like, okay, fine, like this, what all the things that can be done. So I just quickly started making a lot of Loom videos that I got stuck with, and I used to send it to my clients, I used to send it to my team members, I used to send it to my master club masterminds mentor. So the amount of output that I got from them is tremendous, because they were able to see the problem right in front of their eyes without any friction. The audio is clean, I'm showing the screen, I am literally asking for a help. If they see the video, they give like that 5 minutes of their time, some valuable thought they will share it with me that can really add value to my workflow, and it can tremendously save time and tremendously save money for me. So that's the way I learned, saying like how to reach out to ask for help. So it is not something, what I'm saying is use Loom to ask for help. uh, Loom is an app. If you have, I'll just leave the link in the description as well. But what I'm trying to say is, you can ask for help in any form. Like, let it be writing, you tell them like this is what you are going through. But the easiest that I found is like make a quick Loom video. It can be in mobile also. It has both versions, like it's there in mobile as well, and it's there in desktop also. So make a quick Loom video, show them what you're going through, because when you see that, right, the other person on the other end can give a lot of inputs that they would be willing to give if they see the problem right in front of their eyes, because they cannot come and log into your dashboard and see what's happening. But you can make a quick video and send it to them and get things sorted. And this is like a one-off situation that I felt like things can drastically change by the way you ask for help. So when you ask for help, go for the details, uh, because the devil is in the details, like everybody say. Go for the entire thing in detail and tell them like this is exactly that you're facing, and try to see how they can help you out. Okay, so this video series is going to be like this. So I will come up with consistent number of videos on this. So if you want, you can check out the playlist and follow me for more. See you in my next video.